Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to unlock the orange roll cake recipe in Heartopia. First, make sure you already have the original roll cake recipe and orange sugar. You can get these items from the NPC Doris, who appears during the rainy or rainbow weather. And if you don't know how to find her yet, just check the link in the description for the full guide. And once you have everything ready, just go to your house and then just tap on your stove and then just choose original roll cake like this, and then just change the sugar ingredients to orange sugar like this, and then next just simply tap on start cooking like this and just cook the roll cake. And okay, like this. If you did it correctly, you will unlock the orange roll cake recipe like this, and special animations will appear for the first time you cook it like this. And okay, that's it. Super easy, right? If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.